Hello Pareto team, my name is Anthony Michael and I'm applying for sweep position. Today I want to showcase you three of my projects. The first project is NaikGaji.com. It is an Edu-commerce platform, so it's like Udemy. Every user can create their own courses, sell them, and they also can buy from another user. Okay, let's go to the category page. This is the category page. You can choose the category you want, subcategory you want, and then you also can sort by latest update, sort by highest price, and then let's click this. This is the course detail page. You can add to cart and buy them, but we need to log in first. Okay, let's go login via Google or Facebook. Okay, this is the dashboard page. And this is mentor, so this is the mentor dashboard. You can create new courses from here. Okay, this is the form, you can fill it. Okay, let's I have the testing course, so we can edit the course. You can add episode, or you can choose where you can add episode. So this is the episode 4 before the 5. So let's go back and okay, let's go to the exclusive e-course video landing page. So we can try to buy them. Okay, we can add to cart. Okay, we can choose this. We can buy now. Okay, this is the checkout page. You can choose the methods of payments. This is the e-wallet of Indonesia. So you can choose bank, e-wallet, also credit card. Okay, think that's it for the demo. Okay, moving on to the front-end code base. This is the dependency I'm using. I'm using NextJS, React, and React Redux, Redux Saga. Also, I'm using JSON Web Token as authentication. I'm also using AWS S3 for storing my videos. So let's take a look at pages. This is the card page. So we also have this command action. This command action will be fire when we loading the card page. So we go to the source action and card page action. So this is the action sagas. So after action, we will process it to the sagas and then we can put the data to the reducers. So here is the component. Yeah, also for styling, I'm using SAS. Yeah, this is the component. We got footer, header, layout, login form, and etc. Okay, and also this is the endpoint API. I'm using Axios as the endpoint call. Okay. I think that's it for the code base for my first project. Moving on to the second project. This is a real-time messaging app. This is also, I can demo it in a minute. The feature will be track user online and real-time chat between user and post to user feeds. For the stacks, backend, I'm using Node, TypeScript, Postgres, GraphQL, and also Socket.io for the real-time chat. And for the front end, I'm using NextJS, React, Apollo Client, Semantic UI for CSS framework, and also SAS for styling. This is also using JSON Web Token for authentication and hosted in Google Cloud Platform. So let's go to the demo. Okay, this is the demo. You can log in. Okay, and you can see the member will be online when you log in. Okay, you can chat, but no other user online, so we can online go log in with other user. So the state will be updated basically when user log in. Okay, the chat will be online. You can chat real time with this. Okay, and then there will be place notification sound. Yeah, that's it. And you can choose the Michael, for example, Michael profile. You can leave a post. So let's go. Leave a post there, and there we go. Okay, this is will be open. This is your profile and home. And yeah, that's it for the demo. You can log out. Okay, this is the code base for the second project. This is the server.ts. This is the express server. So this is the root query type for the GraphQL schema. And also we have root mutation type for the updating part. And then we also got autocon middleware. So I'm also using chores. So yeah, that's it for the server. Okay, this is the server socket file. We have online user array, so we can track user online. And for IO connection, we have a new user login event. So we have event for the new user login. After new user login, we can add push them to the array and then broadcast them. Also, we have new chat message event, so you can real-time chat. Okay, that's it for the socket. Moving on to the source, we have constant for the bcrypt and for JSON Web Token. And this is the database index. So this is for database initialization. I'm using Postgres. And then this is for the query. So we have GraphQL folder. We got the object type for out, conversation, post, and user. So for the model, this will be the query part. So we can try to DB query. So we will return rows, and then we will return success or error. Yeah, basically that's it for the API. Okay, moving on to the front end. This is the home page. So we have initializing the socket, and then we have the user online. Yeah. Also because it is simple, we only have two page. So this is the profile page. Is for the render the feeds, and also we also have the socket initialization. So when you on the profile page, you can chat with the other user. Move to the API section. This is for the Apollo client GraphQL for the query. Yeah, that's it for the query. We also have the component. This is the chat box, layout, login or register, and this is the constant helper. Also, we have the styling with SAS and the utility for out. Yeah, for the socket. Yeah, this is the code base for the second project. Okay, moving on to the last project. This is also code challenge. This is very simple project. So this is a web app for managing student assignment. Also, this is hosted, so we can demo it in a minute. So this is the documentation for installation, and for the feature we have add or remove students, add or remove course, and then assign student to the courses, pagination, and the database will be persisted because I'm using Docker, so the data will be easily backup or restore. For the stack, I'm using Node, NextJS, React, Postgres, Semantic UI, SAS, yeah, and this is also hosted on Google Cloud Platform. So, moving on to the demo. Here we go. We have login or register. We can log in. This is the home page. We have student list and course list. So, for example, we can click the student, and you can add or remove student here. And then, for example, Bernice have 4 courses. You can add more. For example, civil engineering. So the civil will be appear here, and the available course will be delayed. So, for example, if you want unassigned, so you can just click here or here. So that will be removed, and the list will be appear. So yeah, that's for the student list. You can also remove the student. Remove the student, and then we have pagination here. Okay, let's go to the course page. So we also can add or remove course. So for example, we can remove biological, and then that's it. Okay, that's for the last project. We can log out here. Okay, this is the code base. This is for the Docker Compose.yaml. We have 2 services. First is the database we have here. We have volume here, so we can backup easily. And for the initialization, we have a migration script. We also, this is the migration script. Yeah, that's for database. And let's go to the app. The app is NextJS, front end and back end. So because of NextJS, also have feature that create endpoint. So we can just create page API here. So we can have method get, yeah. And then we take a look at homepage. This is for the homepage. We have go to segment component. The component will be the source component here. Go to segment. And then for the API, I'm using basic REST API. I'm using Axios. So the token will be also JSON of token with authorization bearer. Okay, for the component, this is for the student list component. This is the control part. So basically, the control is for the query for the endpoint. So when, for example, in API users, we just call the controller, and then the control will handle all of the logic. And for the middleware, we have token intercept. So basically, when the out token is invalid or not available, the response will be 401, and the user will be logged out. And this is for the database initialization. I'm using Postgres, and this is for the query. So I also have SAS for the styling. This is for the color palette constant. So this is variable. So you can use with other file. So yeah, and for the utility, I have out and handle error for the API. This is the core file. So we are using Node and then Alpine for the lightweight. And then we just run the dependencies. Okay, I think that's it for the code base for the last project. Thank you very much.